creative retreat process video for you. Today I'll be using my May Faith Art box. In each kit you get a devotional, 2 sheets of cardstock stickers, a stamp set, and a couple of bow clips. It's such a great kit and perfect for Shauna Noel's 100 Days of Bible Promises, which I'm diving into today. I've been working in this book lately and I've really been enjoying it so much. It's also a great opportunity to take out our old kits and use them as well. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing here is layering down some washi tape on the top and bottom of both pages. It's something I like doing on almost all my pages if you can't already tell. I love the added color and texture you can get with the washi. Today I'm working on day 9 and here it says, just imagine going shopping for a whole new tailored wardrobe with new shoes to match. Your old clothes would have to go to make room for all the new. That's what it's like when you accept Christ as your personal Savior. Your old self is washed away and you become brand new on the inside. Each day forward is a fresh beginning, filled with God's love, hope, grace, and purpose. Here I've taken the alpha set from the May kit and some alphas from past kits that I pulled out that matched with the colors on this page. Now I'm looking through my stamp collection and going through the stamps and pulling out some sets that I might be able to use. Here I pulled out the set from the May kit on the left, and the one on the right is from one of the past kits. I'm really loving the stamp set from this month's kit, especially the hand-lettered Jesus stamp and the flowers. It's just so very pretty. I want to stamp out the words "in Jesus," but I'm trying to figure out where I want to put it. So you can see here I'm trying to visualize and decide where I want it to go. And then end up deciding to put it up on top because I like the way it looked. I love how this page reminds me and reminds us that each day is a fresh beginning. Not only has God rescued us and restored our relationship with Him by giving us a brand new life, but with Christ, each day can mean a new day of love, hope, grace, and purpose. Sometimes we want a do-over on life or wish we could go back and change something we did or saw or said. Thank God, because we can find comfort in new beginnings in Jesus every single day. We get to start fresh and new, and He's given us that. Here I'm using the alpha stickers to put down the words "New Life." Later on, you'll see me stamp down the words "and hope" underneath it. So together it reads "New Life and Hope." And now I'm using this pretty little leaf stamp and stamping it down all over the edge of this page. I love how it gives it a nice subtle little border. Very pretty too. Here I'm taking the flower stamps and stamping them down in pinks, purples, and oranges. And also making sure I'm alternating them in color and style. Thank you for joining me today for my first process video here on the Creative Retreat channel. I hope you enjoyed creating with me today. Comment down below if you have any questions or just want to say hi. Have a great rest of the week and God bless.